Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cell formats in your spreadsheet. This file is a file I've got that has data that's been downloaded from the system, and when you do that, sometimes you get trailing minus signs, and let's say I combine it with another file, and some of these characters, obviously, if you can see them, this is formatted as text, whereas this one came in as numeric. So this doesn't really look that pretty, and I'd want to clean this up. The first thing I'm going to do is get these values in the plant column to all look the same. So I can select my convert to values or convert to text. If I convert them to values, all the text ones become values and they all look the same now. And I could have done the same and just converted them to text if I wanted, and they'd still all look the same, but now they'd be all formatted as text. With the values over here in trailing minus signs, obviously that's more of a problem because this should be a numeric value, but it's actually text because of the trailing minus that came from the system. So what I want to do there is just say convert everything to values, and what it does, it takes it and replaces any spaces with a numeric type formatting. So it automatically converts those to numbers, and I'll do the same with this column here. So this looks better, but I still would rather have a different format for this. This is my value. And I like commas, and maybe I like dollar signs. So we've got this variable toggle option here. And when I hit it, you see it went to percent. And I'll show you in a minute why it did that. Hit it again. Now it goes without decimals, just whole numbers with your comma separators. And that's the one I really want because that's a value column. So now I've got this in the format I like, and something that's much easier to read. And this variable toggle comes from our settings here. If you look here in my variable toggle, I've got up to 4 settings that I can set by myself here via config of more common formats I might use. Like if you see this first one, it's dollar sign with 2 trailing zeros. I know the format in Excel is kind of hard to understand, but that's what that's telling me. This one is just regular numeric. This one's percent with 3 decimals, as you can see, and this one's the without decimals. So I just click that on, and that's where I can set these values. So I can set up to 4 of them and toggle between them. So that's how I changed those to the dollar sign with my variable toggle option. And let's also say I really don't like the date format like this. There's also a date toggle with some predefined common date formats. And if I select this, you see I'll go to the date format with the abbreviated month, or I'll go to it with the actual day of the week, or the normal way most people would format dates in Excel, I think, like this. Or you can even do it like the German way. I think that's about it. I hope this helps, and have a great day. Thank you.